create an Ally Bank account, follow these steps. Visit Ally Bank's website. Navigate to Ally Bank's official website to begin the account opening process. Choose account type. Select the type of account you want to open, such as a checking, savings, money market, or CD account. Provide personal information. Fill out the necessary forms with your personal details, including your full name, address, date of birth, social security number, and employment information. Verify identity. Ally Bank will require you to verify your identity. This usually involves providing a government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport. Fund your account. Transfer funds into your new Ally Bank account from another bank account to meet any initial deposit requirements. Some accounts may have minimum deposit requirements. Review and confirm. Double check all the information you've provided. Review the terms and conditions and confirm your account opening. Wait for approval. Ally Bank will review your application, and if everything checks out, they will approve your account. Access your account. Once approved, you can access your Ally Bank account online or through their mobile app.